Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Our good friend Harold has revived the Astra. So if you remember, the engine blew up. And yeah, we couldn't get it rebuilt.
Whoa.
Is that new engine?
Yeah.
That's the new engine that's gone in. They couldn't rebuild it because it had top end damage and bottom end damage. It cost more than it was worth repairing because it was £1,800. So we just got a new one. Well, it's used obviously. £1,800, wasn't it? No, I mean not 800, £500.
1,800.
And then whoever he charges to put it back, whatever he charged for the labour on top. So I think about £800. So we're going to do the first start up. Have a listen, guys. Oh yeah, is it chain? Doesn't sound terribly bad. Coolant is back. So the engine rebuilder said, don't rev, it's fucking cold. Okay. So new engine inside the Astra. The Astra is alive again, guys. So what we're gonna plan to do is, get the timing chain done on the water pump, because the timing chain is rattling his head. Because this is a used engine. It's a low mileage used engine, but you know. What do you think, MrWaheedulHaque? Are you happy? Shadow is back alive, guys.
Very happy.
Smoking quite a bit. It's a low mileage one, but yeah, the chain's a bit fucked. So we're just gonna get a new chain, new timing chain, and the water pump replaced. And yeah, this should be good to go then.
It's not making that ticking noise anymore either. You know how my last one like?
Needs a bit. It's not as bad.
That's the chain that's making the noise. Oh, this is clean though.
Ain't it?
Mad.
Imagine all the engine covers you wasted, all them other things.
What?
Nothing. Very nice. Have you any faults on the dashboard? Engine light on anything, no? Very nice, very good. Fantastic. Okay, what's the temperature on? Oh, can you know, even see the car temperature? I'll give you a rev then now. It's been running for a bit, innit? Let's have a listen. Yeah, fantastic, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go take it to the timing chain guy now and get it sorted out, and hopefully this car will be like brand new. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.